Our JK350 crimper is a leading domestic and international advanced. It has been sold around the world and is used by many industries such as hydraulic machine manufacturing and metalling. Crimping force is more than 3,500 kN. Crimping house inner size from 4 mm to 51 mm and the house outside from 14 mm and 17 mm. The standard voltage is 383 volts and the operational voltage is 220. It's an ideal machine for hose connector assembly factories and for hydraulic metallings. In order to help our customers to properly use and maintain the machine, we made this video. The machine equips with 12 inches of dimes to fit the various hoses. This is a crimping head used to crimping house. There are 8 pieces of dimes mount. The hole in the middle of the die holder is used for fixing the dimes. And the crimping head is installed the macro adjust, adjusting the depth of crimping. The crimping accuracy can reach to 0.01 mm. There is the travel switch and the crimping head. The travel switch is turned on by macro adjustment probe when crimping is completed. Then the machine stops crimping and moves back automatically. Its pressure gauge up the body. The standard pressure is 31.5 MPa. The greater the oil pressure, the greater crimping force. We should pay attention to a change of the pressure. A red crimping button and a green retraction button. Press the red button and the dimes shrink and crimp. Press the green button, dimes open, remove the hose. It's solenoid valve installed in the middle of the top board, controlling the flow direction of hydraulic oil and the dimes action. The air filter installed behind the crimping head is filled dust in the air. It's also used to fill it with hydraulic oil. This is a return field for remove extreme materials for hydraulic oil. This is electric cable with a plug. The round core connects to zero line and the square core connects to phase line. This is cable outlet. This is level and temperature gauge. Left is Celsius gauge and right is Fahrenheit gauge. When the temperature is higher 18 Celsius degree, please stop working. The oil level is not allowed to be lower than the middle part of level gauge while working. It's a switch panel. Rotate the switch to the on position. The machine can work. Connecting the earth wire when the machine working. This screen is used to connect the earth wire. The pump motor unit is fixed in the tank. The motor drops when the pump rotating. The hydraulic oil through sink pipe to pump. After that through sink pipe to crimping head. Motor revolve should be seen as the arrow. This is coupling connecting the shafts of the motor and the pump. The relief valve installed inside the chassis is to control the oil pressure. There is a hand wheel on the head of the relief valve adjusting the pressure by rotating. Unlock the lock nut on the relief valve and rotate the hand wheel to adjust the pressure. After that, screw down the lock nut. This is oil outlet. The waste oil discharged by this hole. The electrical box behind the switch panel control apparatus. It's a fuel box on the left, and in the middle of the box are two electric relays. Transformer is on the right and rectifier is under it. There are 4 fuse boxes. 3 of them on the left are used to protect the motor, and the last one on the right is used to protect the control circuit. These are 2 electric relays. The small one is intermediate relay and the other one is tie relay. 2 electric relay working when the damp's shrinkage in place. When damp's shrinking in place, the travel switch makes the 2 relays working. The time relay starts time. The intermediate relay makes the electromagnetic valve working in the backward state. The crimping is finished and the dice stop to open. When the time is over, the time relay stops the action of the dimes. The time relay can be adjusted according to the requirement. The standard time is 3 seconds. The working voltage is 380, changed to 24 by transformer. The rectifying is used to convert 24 alternating current into 24 direct current for solenoid valve and 2 relays. If you know the various parts and the function of the machine, the operations are very simple. Now, let's demonstrate the all-process operation. Make sure that there is enough oil in the tank before working. The oil level is not allowed to be lower than the middle part of level gauge when working. Otherwise, the pressure may be not enough. Check the direction of motor rotation. Make sure that it's seen as the arrow. Cable plug it. Connect to power. Check the direction of motor rotation. Make sure that it's seen as the arrow. Start to fix the dice. According to the size of the house, choose suitable dice. First, screw down the precision screw on the dice. This is okay. This is a fixing tool, dimes hook. When fixing the dimes, use the dimes hook to pull the screw out. Insert the locating pin to the location hole. Release the dimes hook. Replace the screw. 3 loads. Pull the screw out. Insert the locating pin. Release the dimes hook. The dimes are fixed. According to the request, adjust the macro adjustment. The macro adjustment is only be rotated in or out. It couldn't be pulled or will be damaged. Next, check the running condition of the crimping head. Turn on the switch. Press the green crimping button. The solenoid valve will start working. The dies shrink and move ahead. When the dies shrink fully, release the button. The dies expand automatically and back off. Repeat it please. If normal, it can work. First, turn on the switch. Second, adjust the macro adjustment. The accuracy hadn't reached for the first time. Adjust the macro adjustment to make the accuracy up to 0.01 mm. And now it's ready for mass production. Seed. Put in the house. Put the house leading crimped in the crimping head. Fourth, press the crimping button all the time for crimping, until the dies shrink fully. Fifth, when the crimping head moves back, take out the house after the dies open up. Sixth, check the holes crimped whether it's up to the precision. If not, crimp it again after adjusting the macro adjustment. When the adjusting movement has reached, it's ready for mass production. Seventh, press the rear retraction button. Control the dies gaping extent in order to take out or put into the holes conveniently. 80th, the crimping task is over. Turn off the switch. In the end, cut off the power, then the operator could go away.